Saving for a big dream? It's time to turn those savings into power and dreams into reality with Wish Card on PhonePe. Here's how you can apply for your Wish Card. Open the PhonePe app, head to Manage Payments, click on View All, and tap on Wish Card. It will land you to the Wish Card page. Here, you can explore all the card details. Now, tap on Get Your Card. Auto-verify your mobile number with your device. Then, enter your PAN for quick verification, followed by your Aadhaar number, verified securely using the OTP sent to your Aadhaar-linked mobile number. Next, you'll fill out a simple application form with 4 sections, starting with your personal details like your email, parents' names, and marital status. Then add your employment information such as your role and salary. For card delivery, your Aadhaar address is already fetched for convenience. If your current address is different, you can easily update it. And click to Continue. Now, add a nominee who will be entitled to all your funds in any unforeseen situations. You will see the Review Details page. You'll also get a quick view of your key fact sheet, all the important details you have shared. Click on Agree and Continue. It will take you to the payment page. On the payment page, choose your fixed deposit amount. You can start with a minimum amount of Rs 2,000. This will set your credit limit up to 90% of the amount. After you agree to the terms and complete the UPI payment, your fixed deposit is instantly created. Once your fixed deposit is created, you'll have up to 3 days to complete the video KYC. For that, review the details for video KYC and proceed to the video call. Here, you'll need to verify the details and show your PAN card to the bank operator. Your verification will be done and you'll get updated within 24 hours. And your Wish Card will be issued to you. Your Wish Card has your back, boosting your credit power and making all your wishes come true.